Exercise number 31 and 32. Kameez with dart. Drafting, cutting and stitching. Kameez is an upper garment for ladies like a long shirt with slit openings on either sides. It comes in different styles and designs. It can have long or short sleeves or it can be sleeveless. Darts are one of the most basic structural elements in dressmaking. Darts are used to shape the garment around the contours of the body. Darts are used mainly in women's dresses to allow fullness at bust, hips, shoulders and elbows.
Paper pattern drafting. Measurements, materials, instructions for drafting. Draw the pattern of kameez on the brown sheet. Separate front body part, back body part, back and front sleeve shape. Instructions for preparing master pattern. Add the given allowances to the paper pattern and cut the excess brown sheet to get the master pattern components. Layout and cutting. Lay the fabric on the cutting table with the wrong side facing upwards. Arrange the master pattern of kameez with dart economically without wasting the fabric. Cut the fabric on the cutting lines using sharp shears. Mark the dots positions, slit, open position and stitch lines on front and back body part. Transfer the markings of darts position to the lower layer of the fabric. Tie all the layers of components together. Kameez with dart stitching. Cut notches at darts and slit markings. Baste and stitch darts and press side and side darts towards waistline and waist darts towards center back and center front. Skill sequence number 1. Neckline facing. Take the two pieces of cloth 16 into 22 cm from the same fabric material for facing. Mark the neck shape and the slope of shoulder line on the facing. Cut on inner and outer shape. Repeat the whole process with back neck on other facing piece. Stitch the shoulder seam of shirt and facing strip separately from the wrong side. Press open the shoulder seam of facing strip. Press the seam allowance of shirt towards back. Pin the facing strip congruently on the neck of the shirt. Join the right side of the shirt and facing strip. Take care that shoulder seams match. Trim all the corners diagonally, leaving 2 mm from seam edge. Fold the facing upwards inside the neck and top stitch all around very close to the edge of neck shape. Fold the facing on the line on neck shape on the wrong side of shirt piece. Set the seam, press, baste and stitch it. Stitch front and back side together, leaving slit opening on both sides. Fold and stitch the slit open from the bottom of the slit mark. Give overlock stitches on the edges of side seam. Fold the bottom by double row of stitches for neat finish. Fold the sleeve bottom and stitch it. Stitch the side seam of sleeve and give overlock stitches. Set the sleeves in armhole by set-in sleeve method. Finish and press.
Here you have studied how to draft, cut and stitch kameez with dart with a skill sequence of neck line facing. Let us now go to the next exercise.